Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of Affiliate Profits Insights, your guide to online success. I'm Luther, and this series is dedicated to helping you master the art of affiliate marketing and achieve financial freedom. So, grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's get started on your journey to online success. Today, we're diving into how you can make money on OnlyFans in 2024 with our step-by-step guide. Let's get started. OnlyFans is a fantastic platform for turning your content into cash. Here's how you can start and maximize your earnings. Set up your profile. Create a captivating profile that stands out. Content strategy. Plan and create engaging content that attracts subscribers. Promote your OnlyFans. Use social media platforms to drive traffic to your page. Engage with subscribers. Interact with your fans to build loyalty and increase earnings. Monetize effectively. Utilize various monetization strategies like pay-per-view content and tips. For more detailed steps, check out the full article on our website. That's a quick guide on how to make money on OnlyFans in 2024. If you found this helpful, be sure to read the full article on our website. In case English is not your native language, feel free to change our website language to your preference. Be sure to click and check out our top recommended method for achieving consistent daily earnings with zero investment. Watch the free video and get started today. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Thanks for watching.